Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Spring in Japan is March 21st to June 22nd. At spring, you will hear two words, Sakura and Hanami. What is Sakura? So Sakura is cherry blossom and Hanami is viewing cherry blossom. So at spring, people, whether friends, family, they usually view the cherry blossom. So they go to the parks or they go to different areas where they can actually see Sakura. So my friend and I went to Ueno Park and Zoo in Tokyo. We had a very good time, but it was very, very crowded. It was actually a pretty good experience for me. It's my first time actually, going or viewing Sakura.
This is called cherry blossom flavor. They only had it in one scoop. You only could get it in one scoop. How much is it? 400 for one scoop. This is a very unusual taste. I don't really like it.
Ueno Park is a spacious public park. It's open 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's located in Taito, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Taito, Tokyo, and it was founded in 1873. So there are many museums and temples at Ueno Park. There's also a zoo which is walking distance from the park. I honestly don't know what that is. Do you know? Please comment below. But yeah, there are food stands, there are little things here and there. Depending on where you are in the park, it can take you anywhere from 3 minutes to 10 minutes to reach to the zoo. The zoo, it costs, for adults, it was around 600 yen, and they have many different animals. So we saw the elephants, we saw gorilla, we saw lion, but we didn't get to see many other animals, because the zoo, I guess, is so big that sometimes it's kind of hard to find the different pens or areas where they keep the animals, because the map that was given, I guess it wasn't clear, or maybe we just couldn't read it. Like I said, the zoo is very big and they have many animals, but the pandas, to see the pandas, the line was extremely long, so we definitely did not get to see any pandas, and I've never seen pandas before, so I actually wanted to see them, but the line was ridiculous, so we just didn't get to see them. What is he checking for? Like, I don't know. This lion is either extremely hungry or extremely tired, because the entire time all it was doing was sleeping or laying down. I don't know if you can see it, but it's behind the green leaves. So guys, at the zoo they have this train ride thing. So we thought that, oh, you know, the ride is gonna show us the zoo and it's gonna be like a beautiful view, but hell no. The cost is 150 yen one way, and it's pretty much transports you from one end to the next. So we thought that it was like a round trip, but it was not, and we had to take it back because it carried us to one end of the zoo, which was like not the way that we wanted to go when we were leaving. So we had to take it back. So we spent a total of 300 yen on this train thingy. So this is the view from the train. This is the first view. So this is the view going, and I'm going to also show you what it looked like when we're coming back. So we sat on the side of the train, and when we were coming back we sat at the front, so you're gonna have an even better view. This is the second ride, and each ride takes approximately 1 minute and 10 seconds. Definitely not going to go back to Uraina Park. Of course, I enjoyed myself a little, but I just don't think that the park is that appealing. Like, of course, there is the sakura, there are many people having picnics, there are food stands, but it's just not that appealing for me. But I'm going to be visiting other zoos pretty soon. After we left the park, we made a brief stop at Harajuku to get something to eat. We stopped at the Hub, which is a British restaurant in Japan. It's very popular. I've seen many locations around Tokyo and Yokohama. So we stopped there to get something to eat, and then we went home. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and thank you guys.